Hello all traders, today is Tuesday 7th of January 2025 and we're going to look at the trades that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 and also CFD derivatives of E-minis. If you look at the macro chart on 1 hour, we see that the price was fluctuating in a narrow range around the previous day close, and by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that the price after New York market opening started to retest this level and passed this level eventually and went down and tested again the previous day low and bounced back few times and finally closed it below this level. So our plan of action for today was to wait for the volatility to calm down, and when the pullback is completed, we started to take long positions on the small prop firm account in the middle of the day, and on the future prop firm account later afternoon I took long position when the price reached this level around 3:40 afternoon. I took one long position with setup B here, and then when the price got exhausted and came back, I took sell short position, and then again when the price got rejected, I took long positions on Nasdaq. And at the same time also when the price retested the Dow Jones at this level, I took one long position with setup C at this point. And all these signals were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts, and you see performance on one of these accounts here that shows it was positive with profit factor of 8.49, which is coming from 88% win rate, 87% from 8 long positions taken, and 100% from 1 sell short positions taken. The average win to loss ratio was about 1. The largest winning trade was 285 and the largest losing trade was $129. So that was the summary of the trades on the futures prop firm account, and let's look at the trades we have taken on the small 5k CFD prop firm accounts. As you see, we had here 8 long positions on Dow Jones, and as you see we had only one small loss and we reached the target of 400, and the profit factor also improved to 2.23. so this shows the equity curve of the trades, that as you see it's consistently going up, and since yesterday balance we added $11 and passed the first stage of challenge, which was $400, equivalent to 8% of 5k prop firm account. The next stage is to pass 4% of the balance, which is $200, and we're going to continue on this account till we get funded. And this report shows that we had total of 247 trades taken. With 200 winners, we reached the average win rate of 82.59%, mainly from the long positions taken. And this shows the instrument we traded: Nasdaq, Dow Jones, S&P 500 and DAX CFDs were traded. And this detailed report again shows the equity curve, which is consistently going up, and the total profit and profit factor, and the drawdown of the account, which was only 1.26%, below the 5% allowed by the prop firm rules. So hope this trades taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping on the futures prop firm account and also the small CFD prop firm account is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.